Working with the farmers, wherein I'm procuring the raw materials with them directly and processing here, and we are marketing, and we have our own brand. For example, here this is mixed red chili powder. Why we are special in this is like all the raw materials are processed here. We are roasting individually and we are grinding in a very hygienic manner. That is the reason why this is very tasty, because in olden days they used to do like this only with the traditional method, but at present like we are again coming to the back position, like traditional way of processing this product. This is a single product wherein we can use in all the curries, idlis, dosa also we can use. This is pura karam or masala karam we say. In this dhania, jeera, salt, and we also use castor oil, which is good for digestion. Turmeric is used in this, and also pink salt is used in this. All the ingredients are healthy, and this is very good product, wherein many this is our signature product we can say of JP Agro and Foods. And this is one product, and other one is like this is a turmeric. This is Alipi variety. We are working with the tribal farmers in Orissa. We procure from there. They cultivate this turmeric in Podu cultivation. Podu cultivation is like, it is their system of cultivating. They sow the seed here, and they procure the crop, and again they move from this place to another place, and they again grow there. They don't use any sort of fertilizers or chemicals here. So they are naturally growing this product actually, and from there we are getting directly from the farmers, and this is having curcumin percentage of 4.5 to 5%, and which is very, very good. Many health benefits are there. This is a good immune booster we can say. This is a Lipi variety turmeric, and like that only even dhania powder, like the tribals. And basically here I want to say you one thing, like all the procurement which we procure from the farmers directly are graded and sorted and processed here, and all the quality products are manufactured. So I can say this is a very good product, dhania. And this is a again to say garam masala. This is a spicy, and all the, this is a special product where I cannot say the formula of what I am doing. Garam masala and chicken masala. Basically the customers, they just ask me again and again, and you know, once they procure, I want to say one example. In Numaish, one of the customer procured this, it seems, and he is very much impressed with the flavor what he got from the chicken masala. So he has ordered me for 6 months. 6 months, because he's not getting this product anywhere in any of the garam masala or chicken masala which he's getting in the market. He's not at all satisfied with the flavor what he is getting there. So he is satisfied with the product what I am selling here. So like that, many customers are there which they want only this flavor and they're searching for me. And I am a startup company because I don't have many outlets here. I have limited outlets, but they are calling me and ordering me online. Like that, they are procuring all these products. And like, we also have cold press oil. This is sesame, and we procure, and I want to say one more thing also here, we procure all these oil seeds, spices, and these are all grown in a natural method, not in chemical fertilizer way of cultivation. We are doing it in a natural process. That's the reason why they are very much tasty and healthy too. Like that, like we have many ranges of cold press oils like sesame, safflower, and groundnut, coconut, castor oil also is there. This is Himalayan pink salt. We are getting this in blocks from borders of Wagah border, and from there we bring and we are doing it in a we are processing here in a fine powder. Like this is crystal size only we are doing because many customers are liking to have this, and many good health concepts are there in this, and BP can be reduced, and many, almost more than 26 diseases can be cured by using this Himalayan pink salt, which is branded in PRASOOH from JP Agro and Foods. And we also have, this is asafoetida, which we say ingua antam, hing. Okay, this is also a natural product which we are processing in JP Agro and Foods on the brand name of PRASOOH. And this is another product, this moringa leaf powder, which is having many health benefits. Which is extracted from the plant of moringa, and this is also processed in a very hygienic way, and this is dried in a shade. That's the reason why it can retain all its vitamins and minerals which are there in this leaf, and this is very good or rich in protein and calcium very well. So this is another product, and we also procure almost 26 variants of honeys from the lower Himalayan mountains. These are all, why I procure honey from that place is like, this is very much far of public, and it is not contaminated by the pollution or air, because there are no vehicles interior parts of Himalayan forest. That's the reason why which I am procuring from there is totally organic or naturally processed system. So this is honey from JP Agro and Foods, and we have mustard honey, acacia, Kashmir honey. All these are seasonally procured. We keep the boxes, bee boxes in the fields or in the forest, and we procure from there and we process there only. And we also have another product, even bee wax also we do. After we procure this crop from the farmers, first process of turmeric is boiling, then we grade it and we dry them. Same process for all the spices and even chili powder, we do the same process, and only in turmeric we go for boiling and steaming. Rest all is like after boiling and drying we go for this powdering process. This is another stage of processing the turmeric. పౌడర్ ఫామ్ లోంచి ఇక్కడ నుంచి కిందకు వస్తుంది. ఇలా పౌడర్ అవుతుంది. This turmeric is pulverized in this machine, and from here it will be getting processed and will be stored here, and from here like this it is picked in a powder form, and our turmeric is having little orange content because this is organically grown, and it is having more of moisture and curcumin percentage. That is the reason why its color is little in a orange tint. It is a very good immune booster actually, I can say, and as it is cultivated in an organic method, it has more of medicinal values in it. And also I want to say you like the curcumin percentage here is used in making antibiotics. This is used in preparing antibiotics. After powdering in that machine, and here it is collected and again it is being sieved. Like the waste matter which is present in this powder can be separated from the fine powder which is extracted from that machine. So now we are going to get the fine powder here without having any foreign particles or like waste matter which is present in that. So it is a fine turmeric which is collected here. The big particles which are present in this will be separated after sieving. So the fine powder is collected there, and the matter which is not fine will be collected here. Yeah, like this it is packed. And here one more point also I want to say, this is made up of paper. It can retain its flavor and also it can be decomposed very easily, and this is recyclable box packing. So we seal this one and can be again sealed and ready to sell. This is now ready for supply. Masalas as well as the flours, and here why my spices are more fragrant, tastier So this is the machine where I roast all these ingredients. By the process of roasting, it gives additional taste and flavor for all the spices. So this is the reason why this is the system where all my spices are being roasted, and also the shelf life is also more, but little. This is roaster cum blender actually, and in this we blend all the spices. Then in this also, like from this process we go for packing of garam masala, chicken masala, kura karam or mixed red chili powder, what we say. And this is the machine which we extract for cold press oils. All the many variants of cold press oils are extracted in this machine. This is wooden cold press machine. So here in this process, oil will not get heated. The main objective of cold press oils is like all the vitamins and minerals which are present in that will be retained like that only in the process of cold press. If we are going with the synthetic or the hot press, there all the vitamins and minerals will be getting evaporated. Generally the oil, when we are extracting in a cold press oil, will have all the vitamins. This is the same old traditional method of extracting the oil. This is a raw material place where we store all the raw material here. In my unit, there are 10 employees who are working on. Most of them are women, and 2 to 3 people are unskilled and temporary labor. And moreover, like which I am working with the farmers, even farmers are not direct employed, but they are indirectly employed with the JP Agro and Foods. And I have taken a loan of 25 lakhs from PMEGP, wherein I got 35% of subsidy, because I have established this unit in rural area where I want to provide employment for the rural people. And also like I wanted to work with the farmers, and I want to give good food to the society. That is my main motto. With 3 concepts, I have started this unit of food processing.